So we've got two copy machines working simultaneously at their own constant rates. How many copies do they produce in 5 minutes? So if you just think in general, to figure out how many copies are made per minute, you take the total number of copies per minute and divide by the rate, and that would give you copies per minute. Then of course you would multiply that by 5 to figure out how many copies are made in 5 minutes. So look at clue 1. One produced, this blue I've written here, that's just in general. All right, one produces copies at a rate of 250 copies per minute. 200 at a rate of, so in that one, we know the denominator would be 250, right? Rates per minute, but we don't know the total number of copies, so that doesn't help me. So it doesn't work by itself. One produces copies at twice the rate of the other machine. Well, once again, is this talking about, well, it doesn't work because we don't have the total number of copies for the same reason for clue 1. But also, is this, we can't assume that this is the other machine. Okay? This could be information about one of the machines. We can't assume clue 1's about one machine and clue 2's about another one. All right, so neither one worked independently. So now let's put both of them together. So we got a rate of 250 copies per minute, but we don't know the total number of copies, and we don't know for sure that this denominator, it could be, if this is twice the rate of the other machine, that would give me, if I knew these were two, they were talking about two of the different machines, then this denominator would be 500, but I don't know. I don't know, doesn't tell me clue 1 is machine 1 and clue 2 is the other machine. And the other problem is I don't know the total number of copies. So I tried putting both of them together and nothing worked, so your answer's E. And I stumbled on this explanation a little bit, and I hope my explanation still helps you.